Hi there, it's Mark here at MAS Audio in Northampton, and just doing a quick video on the Mini radio. It's called the Mini Boost CD. If you pull them out, they are the BMW Professional. Show you that there. BMW Professional CD. Now these do seem to suffer quite commonly with a problem of buttons not working, so you can't turn the radio on. A lot of the time you can just press the phone button and you get the phone option comes up, and that's about it. You can't turn it on and off. The button unit here just seems to fail, but we can repair these. So this is one we've just fitted back in the car. I'll turn that sound down so you we don't get any copyright problems with YouTube. But yes, you can see obviously there's sound. You can turn it on and off. You can go into mode. We can change all these controls. We can select everything we need to select. Scan up and down. Everything is now working. So if you've got one of these and your unit is not turning on, chances are that it's the button matrix that's failed. You can test if the unit is still getting power just by pressing the eject button, and it will make that noise. They all do that even when the fault occurs, because this button's down here, not part of this matrix at the top. So if yours is doing that and refusing to turn on, or you can't operate your volume or change your modes, then it'll be that button unit that's failed. Get in contact with us and we can offer a solution for you and get it repaired. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.